In this tutorial, we will talk about file category in GstarCad. First, let's have a look at how to open drawings. If you want to open drawings, click Open icon or click Open option under Toggle drop-down menu. The Open Drawing dialog box will pop up. Then you can select the file you are interested in, or you can select several files by window selecting or using Ctrl-K. The DXF, DWS, and DWT files can be directly opened as well. Now all the selected drawing files have been opened. You will notice a tab appears above the drawing area. To activate the drawing, simply click the tab. You will also notice a X icon. Click the icon will close the selected drawing. You can also tap Close in drawing area to close drawing. If you tap Close All, press Enter, it will close all active drawings. If you need to create a new drawing, click New icon or select New option under Logo drop-down menu. The Select Template dialog box will pop up. There are two default templates in GstarCad. When select this one, the units will be displayed in imperial units. If you select another one, the units will be displayed in decimal format. Now selecting the template and clicking Open, you will create a new drawing based upon the selected template. After creating or modifying the drawing, you can click Save icon or select Save option under Logo drop-down menu, or use Ctrl+S shortcut to save your drawing in time. You can also save them as different file formats, from AutoCAD R14 DWG to AutoCAD 2018 DWG, and from AutoCAD R12 DXF to AutoCAD 2018 DXF, as well as DWS, DWT file formats. Select Import option under Local drop-down menu. You can import data from other file formats into the current drawing. For example, import a PDF file. Select Export option under Local drop-down menu. You can export your drawing or object to different kinds of formats. If you had selected FC Beta feature when you were installing the software, you will be able to import or export standard FC files. Input DRFC to import FC file. Input DCFC to export FC file. Input FCPANE to view the imported FC file by category. Different users use different CAD software versions. If you want to send the drawing to other people who use lower version of CAD, you can use DWG convert feature to convert them in batches. Click here to select the files. Then select the format you will convert to. Click Conversion Setups button. Click Modify. Here you can set the package type and other settings. Back to DWG Convert dialog box. Click Convert.